Hello, welcome to QIT Trader. Below is a detailed introduction to QIT Iceberg order. Iceberg orders execute large orders by breaking them down into smaller suborders. After the previous suborder is filled, the next suborder is placed, continuing until all suborders are filled. Now let's place a simple QIT Iceberg order. Select the total order quantity and choose the order quantity type as quantity, then select Disclose Quantity. Price strategy can be chosen based on personal needs such as bid 1, ask 1, middle etc. If the price strategy is set to custom, a specific price must be entered. In the order list, you can see that the QIT Iceberg order has been split into 4 separate orders. Now let's place a QIT Iceberg sell order. Select the order type as rate, with the ratio set at 20%. The price strategy is set to bid 1. In the order list, you can see that the QIT Iceberg order has been split into 5 separate orders and each suborder has 4 lots. We can also use variance and offset features. Variance refers to the quantity of suborders fluctuating up or down according to the set variance ratio when placing the order. Offset is for further adjustment of the currently selected price. It is for offsetting the bid price by the corresponding ticks downward and for the ask price by the corresponding ticks upward. Next, let's demonstrate a buy order. After setting the other parameters, the variance is set to 50%, so the actual percentage of each suborder's lots relative to the parent order quantity will be in the range of 5%-15%. We set the offset to 2 tick. Then, click on Buy. Due to the setting of variance in the order list, the numbers of lots for suborders are different. Due to the setting of offset, the order prices of the suborders are more favorable than the custom price. QIT Iceberg orders can also be used in conjunction with GTC, GTT, GTD and Activate Time. That's all for the introduction of the QIT Iceberg order. Thank you for watching. We look forward to you experiencing our product. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time.